Welcome. So here's the unique paper code. Name of the paper is Vedic Maths 2. It's a VAC course. It's for semester 1 to 4. The maximum duration is 1 hour and maximum is 30. Guys, remember to read all the instructions before attempting the question paper. Just a second. Let me zoom it for you guys. Question number 1. Attempt any 4 of the following. A. Find HCF of the numbers 15, 33, and 27. Then B part, solve for x. Here's the quadratic equation. I'm not going to read the quadratic equation. Okay, just see it on the screen. C, find distance between. Here are the two coordinates. Okay. D, find determinants of the matrix. Here's the matrix for. Then E part, solve for x and y. Here's the equation. Okay. Question number 2, find the inverse of the matrix. Here's the inverse matrix. Okay. Here's the matrix. B, find the equation of the line passing through coordinate 3, 2 and parallel to xy minus 5y equals to 7. And as for the last question, okay, question number 3, find the number whose sum is 28 and the difference is 10. B, if in a triangle the hypotenuse is 20 centimeter and the ratio of other two sides is 4:3, find the sides. Question number 4, if here's the equation, find the value of x. B, if twice the age of Seema is added to the age of Tina, then the sum is 44 years. But if twice the age of Tina is added to the age of Seema, the sum is 34 years. Find their ages. Thank you. If you guys want any other PYQs of any other subject, do mention them in the comments and I will post them as soon as I can. And subscribe to my channel for more DU content and stuff. Bye for now.